5 ways to show cats love in their language. You're a crazy cat person, but sometimes you just want your cats to know how much of a special place they hold in your heart. So how do you show your cats you love them? Luckily, there are tons of ways to let your kitty know you adore her in their language. Cuddling and petting are traditional ways to show your cat's love, but there are many more ways to show your affection. 5 ways to show cats love in their language. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Number 1. Playing games. This is one of the most important on this list to show your cat's love. Playtime is the easiest way to improve the relationship with your cat. Cats spend most of their time waiting for you to get back from school or work, so it's only natural that they crave your attention and time once you walk through the door. You can snuggle together, talk to them, or choose the activity your cat likes best. Playing games. Number 2. Show your cat's love. Don't let your pet wallow in boredom. Cats need to exercise their bodies and their minds. No, learning tricks isn't just for the dogs. Contrary to what some people think, cats are very trainable too. Unlike dogs, cats aren't really motivated by praise. However, they do respond to positive reinforcement in the form of soft foods, like tuna or baby food or piece of chicken. Training will allow you to show affection as well as strengthen your bond together. What's even better? They love a good, mentally stimulating task. Teaching your cat to do some new tricks will give it new interesting challenges, and those rewards will help your cat see you as a caring provider. This will help build your relationship. Number 3. Sleeping together. And when cats sleep with their owner, they are confirming to you that they trust you and they see you as a protector. Sleeping with you is one of the ways your cat shows you affection. So next time you're about to watch some TV or take a nap, lie down next to your kitty to show that you trust and love it too. Number 4. Saying your cat's name. When you come home, greet your cat, say hello, and say their name. You know how psychologists say that we trust people who say our name more. Well, the same goes for cats too. Make it a habit to greet your cat by name every time you come home, even if it doesn't come to the door. Whether or not they stick around in the room or go exploring somewhere else, they will feel the acknowledgement you sent their way and will appreciate it. Likewise, when they meow, try to mimic the sound they made. They will feel more comfortable around you. Number 5. Holding hands. Cats are natural hunters with incredibly sharp tactile senses. That is, cats love to touch and like to grab things. Hold their furry little paws in your hand and rub your fingers on both the top and bottom of their paws. It will also soothe them knowing that you're there. This is the ultimate sign of support, love, and affection that your cat will easily understand. Sometimes cats make the first move by putting their paws on your hands, so definitely don't miss your chance to respond accordingly. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family, and let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.